when the guy's getting around you. This right before the guy gets on top of you. You're gonna keep both arms blocking. I call that double frame. See here? 2 frames. And then elbow dip. So it kind of works like this, slow motion. Okay? You let the guy stop their legs and walk around. You wait for him with the double, and then get your elbow in. You see how the elbow's there? Now start the wiggle. Oh, put the guy right back. Okay? Let the guy go to the same side again. So here, look. You stop him, and if you want, go back 1 step. You can kind of wait for him. This one frames, and this one kind of digs right off the bat. So when he's here, look, you kind of get that feel right there. Look, and then wiggle your hand up. When you wiggle your hand, get tall. It's really easy to get that knee through. You follow that? So double frame, you move just an inch, elbow dig, wiggle. When you flex, leg is around. 1, 2, 3, hop.